Hello, my name is Brian Alexander Monterrey Quintana. In this stage presentation I will introduce a novel health physical method, the Douglas transmitting and septuplete receiving Boris-10 method. Here physical exploration is Boris requires his perfection. Tradition 10 method can only measure vertical depth, but they cannot detect a single or radial depth. This studies hundreds target speed and manifold moves, complete spatial detection of underground anomalies. The solution is a STEM system with two primitive loot and six releasing loot, a retreat hexagonal layout. The transmitting loot creates radial electromagnetic field, and the reaction loot detects different sense caused anomalies along with determination of brush types and direction. And major challenge was hiding negative signal values researchers developed negative transformation algorithms to accurately plot negative dates in log flood graph experiments conflicts the methods can result anomaly direction with 23 the threats precision and estimated radial depth rounds voltage curve analysis. Physical simulation validates the system performance when anomaly phrase reaching the signal is strong and positive when quantity and because with a negative the voltage curve change with anomaly distance confirms that methods are reconciled in both direction and depth detection. This method is useful for its gas, coal, and engineering projects that demand fast and precise anomaly detection, which is receiving calculated data simultaneously is improved efficiency. Future workflows focus on using multiple parameters analysis for even better results. Conclusion: the double transmitting and set-flood receiving Reinholten method significantly advances underground exploration. It overcomes the limits of traditional methods with ambient direction and radial depth detection, which precision and efficiency is powerful tool for future on healthy for Thank you, Joe, for your time.